presentation today, I thought that how would a person who has not done garment manufacturing or textiles will understand what trims and components are. Then I got the answer that we use these trims and components in daily life. So let me try and explain what these trims and components are. Let's see what they are. First trim and component I would really like to explain is the label. This dress, or any dress for that matter, has a label. The label is Exclusive Linen Collection. You can understand this garment is made from linen. There are some instructions given along with it. These instructions explain what care should be taken while washing, or for any matter what kind of processing should be done on it. And of course we have the brand manufacturer's name. So every garment does have a label. Next component which I would really like to explain is the braid. Now what is a braid? It's like this shawl. It's like you can wear it like this. It's basically a yarn which is interlaced together in a diagonal manner. We can just wear it like that. Okay. Now, next we have the lace. This is the complete jacket made from the lace. Basically this part is the lace. The lace is like a designer apparel. It's basically used for the aesthetic properties, not used for fastening. And you can just see that this dress is made better looking by the dress, by the lace which is attached on top. See? Next component is the embroidery. It's basically used to make the decorative value of the dress higher. So this is the embroidery. You can see this. Makes it look so much better. And on the darker side, also this is the embroidery. Now we also have a component called the elastic component, which helps the fitting of the dress. So this is a skirt and this is the elastic part. Elastic components need not be decorative, but they definitely help the fastening of the dress and the wearer of the garment. Next component which I would really like to discuss about is the motif and the badge. The motif or the badge helps us understand the brand name or some kind of very big value. So let's see. This is an Ed and Hardy shirt. You can see this Ed and Hardy. This Ed and Hardy is the motif. It's very difficult to separate the motif and the badge. Next component is the shoulder blade. Basically used for protective clothing. Nowadays also used for apparels. You can see in this jacket. It makes the shoulders straight and broad. This jacket. Now, next component is a fastening component. The fastening component called a zip, which everyone of us really knows. This is how we can see. Two sides joined together by the zip. It's called a zip fastener. Many kinds of shapes, by the way. Right now this is what I can show. Now, next component is called rivet. Rivet is a sort of metallic component. Like here it's used for joining of these two drapers to this purse. This metallic part. Please zoom. See? The next component which I would like to explain is the lining. So I just went through some of my stuff today, and this stuff is a bag from my childhood. Don't mind, I was 2 years old. So This lining helps us maintain the shape and the handle of the bag. You can see it's still proper for so many years. Okay, so this interlining. Now there's a difference between lining and interlining. Let's just see. This is the interlining. Interlining helps us maintain shapes of collars or any kind of, here it helps us maintain shape of this pocket. And this, you can't see it properly because it's not meant to be visible. This is also a kind of motif, the Reebok motif. Now let's see snap fasteners. The snap fasteners are something in which the buttons are not sewn, which is surprising, but it's like a press button. You can see this. We can also see buckle, another example of a fastener in this. And we can also see another kind of fastener here. It has 4 components, a cap, it just snaps together. Now we can see normal buttons here in this dress. Normal buttons used for decorative purposes also, and for the purpose of actually fastening the materials. Now let's discuss some party wear. The party wear which we can describe is, please stop.